Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Bubble app. First, navigate to the Bubble website and sign up for a free account. Once logged in, you'll be greeted by the dashboard where you can start a new project. Choose a template or begin with a blank canvas to customize your application's design and functionality. This initial setup is crucial for laying the groundwork for your no-code project. Next, focus on the visual design of your application. Bubble's intuitive drag-and-drop interface makes it easy to add various elements to your pages. You can adjust their appearance, position, and behavior directly within the editor. Pay attention to responsive design settings to ensure your app adapts seamlessly to different screen sizes, from desktops to mobile phones, providing a consistent user experience. Now, let's dive into the core logic of your application: workflows. Workflows define what happens when a user clicks a button or interacts with an element. You'll connect these actions to your database, allowing you to save, modify, and display data. By setting up conditional logic, you can make your app respond intelligently to different scenarios, creating a truly interactive and powerful experience for your users. Finally, it's time to prepare your application for the world. Thoroughly preview your app to catch any bugs or design inconsistencies. Once you're satisfied, you can deploy it to a custom domain, making it accessible to your users. Remember, continuous iteration and user feedback are key to improving your app over time. Also, check the description for a link to some great leak-proof containers and other deals to help you out.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.